This is Paul at Shoestring Shipyard Sailing, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Well, folks, it's been a long time, since I last posted Shoestring Shipyard Sailing, and well, I'm out here checking out my boat. I haven't done anything on it. It's the 29th of July. She's still under the winter wrap, and well, there's been a lot going on, but with me personally, that's kept me from working on it, but also the weather. We've had, climate change. We've had a couple of months where it was just pouring rain constantly, storms in and out. It was like we were in the Pacific Northwest. And a couple of days where the sun was out and it was blazing hot. Hotter than we ever really experienced here in this part of Maine. And well, I just never got out here and did anything. So I'm walking around the boat now. Well, let me show you here. The cover still looks good. Doesn't look like it's been compromised any. So that's a good thing, because I'm afraid that if it filled up with water or water soaked in there and started rotting the inside, that's going to cause all kinds of problems. And I need to do something with it. I would really like to get the keels finished and attached before winter. And there's still time to do it. I have to finish putting up this structure, this tent I bought, and it's really come to a standstill, and now everything's overgrown. I've got a lot of cutting to do. There's quite a bit of work here. Get out the sickle and the mower and weed whackers and everything else and get to work here. It's just, it hasn't been possible. And I got to get a cover on it, but before I do, I got to find a way to anchor down that tent, because the smaller one I bought earlier, if you saw my Down East Thunder Creations channel, I built a smaller version of that, same company, same style. I was going to use for overhauling my little John Deere lawn tractor. Some big winds came and ripped the stakes that came with it, just ripped everything right out of the ground and basically destroyed the shelter before I even got started. And so this one here, I've got some ideas to anchor that down where it won't come up. But it's a lot of work, and it's just me. I don't have any help. I'm not getting any younger. And well, just trying to find the right weather and the energy and everything to get it all done. But I'm still at it. I still intend to do something with it. And well, I had a lot of stuff going on recently, local nonprofits that I had committed to, doing a lot of work for them, building some walls and installing doors inside their new building that they have. Well, it's an old building, but new to them. And then they had their annual fundraising auction coming up, and so I made a bunch of stuff for that. And then they asked me if I would put together a little kiddie playground kitchenette for the Millbridge Commons Playground, which they built and sponsor, which is right off of Main Street in Millbridge, right on the ocean. And so I did that. I built that. It just hasn't been put on location yet. But all of these things I had to do, and I finally got them finished up. And yesterday was the big fundraising auction for WHRL, which is Women for Healthy Rural Living, or WHRL.org. The silent auction on all the coat racks that went up this year ends this evening, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 29th of July when I'm videoing this. Well, I got a lot to do. As you can see, there's just so much work involved here. And I don't know if I have the time or the energy to get it all done in a timely manner, but I'm going to try. Now, this is all I have right now. I just wanted to give you an update. I know some of you have sent me emails and, have asked me what's going on. And so I just thought I'd film this and share it with you. I've been feeling a little bit defeated about it. I'm not going to lie to you. I don't know. I wish I had some help. That would really turn things around, but I don't. And so I just have to, hit it and get it, and one step at a time. Just a little here and there wherever I can, and hoping the weather will start cooperating, where we have some decent days like this afternoon. This morning wasn't so good, but this afternoon it's been shaping up, and so I'm going to start in on it today and see how far I get. It probably won't be too far, but I have all these weeds to knock down, all this growth, and before I can do anything, so I can see where I'm working and not tripping over everything, and not to mention the fact that we have Maine has a lot of ticks, a big tick problem. They carry Lyme disease and other things, and I have to check myself now after walking through this. I probably have a few ticks on me, so that's a big thing. So once I get all this hacked and cut down, then I have to buy some of that that chemical you put down and gets rid of the ticks, tick be gone, whatever they call it, and I got to do that, and that'll be good until winter, because it goes for a few months, and cold weather comes very short summer season, but we have a very long winter one. So that's where I'm at right now. Appreciate you watching the video, and please give me a like and a share, and subscribe if you haven't, and ring the little bell, and comment in the comment section. That all helps. Try to grow the channel a little bit, and maybe a little bit of encouragement from you will help motivate me, get a little bit more done and go for it. A little encouragement can go a long way. So again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a like. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and ring the little bell, and share the video. I appreciate it. It really does help the channel as I try to promote it and build it, one video at a time. Thanks again.